Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete saved passwords on your Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Chrome if it's not already open. And you want to select the three dotted icon up the top right, which will open up settings, and then select settings down on the bottom of this menu. And then on the right side, underneath autofill, you want to go ahead and select passwords. So if you have any saved passwords on your browser, they'll be listed here, in which case there'll be a little trash can icon next to any respective saved password, in which case you can delete it from the browser at that point. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.